So now guys, what you need to do now, we will going to create a right side. Okay, so if you will going to click here, if you will going to click here, so now you just need to go to advanced, and from advanced guys, just make sure you just put here 0. Okay, also make sure that you also put 0. Why we are putting this? Because sometimes what happen when we put elements to this side, so sometimes it create glitches. So to avoid that glitches, we have just put 0 0. Okay, just for extra surety. Okay, now guys, just click on elements, and from here just drag this inner section to here. Okay, so when you will put it here, it will automatically come at very top. Now what you need to do, you need to click or right click here, just right click, and you will see one option of delete. So just delete it. So what will going to happen, we will only going to get one column of inner section. Okay, now guys, you just need to click on this edit button of inner section, and from the column gap, make sure you select to no gap. That means there will be no gap when we will going to add anything here. Okay, now guys, just go to elements, and you will see one advanced image option. So just search your image, then you will see this advanced image option. So you just need to drag the advanced image here. Now what you need to do, you need to click on choose file, and here you have to upload your photo because you are the author who will going to make blogs in this website. Okay, so just go to upload files, click on select files, and from here you guys can choose any of your image. So I will going to put this image, so just select this image, and then you will see this insert media option at very bottom right. So just click on insert media. So now you can see that you have inserted one image here. Okay, so this is how it will going to look like. Okay, and from the image size guys, you can just make it to full. Okay, and now you can just go to settings, or you can just go to style, and from style you can just choose this percentage. Here you will see you will going to get this percentage option. So so just select the percentage, and here you can just add 50. Okay, just add 50 here. And guys, in border radius also select this percentage here, just select the percentage, and you just need to add here 50. Okay, so now you will going to get a good circular crop up of this image. Now guys, you just need to go to settings, and from here you have to make it to center. So sometimes it will not going to happen. So what you need to do, you need to add one css file. So first of all, just click on update. So now guys, what you need to do, you need to just go to your WordPress dashboard and just visit your website front view. So just go to Bing Commerce, right click on view site, open it in a new tab. So you will see that this is how our website is right now looking. Okay, very amazing, right? So what you can do guys, you can just go to advanced for example, and here you will see one custom css option. So when you will select this option, so here you just need to write whatever I'm writing here. Okay, so you can just write selector dot aux dash media dash image, then you have to space mark, and then you have to put curly brackets, then you have to write margin, then you have to put this mark, and then you can just put a space mark, and then you can just write 0, and then you can just write auto. Okay, and make sure that you guys just remove it, and here you can just put this sign, and then just put curly bracket. So most probably you can see that our image will going to appear in middle. Okay, so make sure, even let me just provide you this code. So let me just go to Bing Commerce, and let me just put provide you this thing. So inside color codes only, I will going to provide you this. Okay, so in color codes, make sure that I have also provided you this image center one code. So you just need to actually copy this much, and you have to paste it here. Okay, so your image will automatically going to come to middle. Okay, then just click on update. Now guys, just go to elements, and from here just search modern heading. So you will see this. So now you just need to drag the modern heading here, so you will see that you will going to get this heading. Okay, so here you can just write your name. So let me just write here Jenny Smith for example, and then in secondary heading you can write the profession of her. So first of all, you can make it to center if you want, go to secondary heading, and here you can just write something like, let's say, photographer and blogger, photographer and blogger. Okay, so you can also add now description as well. So click on description and you can just write about yourself. So here in place of Jenny, you can write your name, then you can write what you do actually, and then you can just write anything description that is related to uh, anything. Okay, you can just write like date you come here for something in particular, or just general uh, digital marketing bashing, something like this. So whatever you want to write about yourself, so you can write it here. Okay, now guys, you can just go to style, and from style you can just click on this typography option, and from size you can just make it 20 pixels. Okay, and guys, you can make the weight to, let's say, bold, very dark bold, and then you can just come to line height, but make sure you first choose EM, which is here. So just select EM, and then you can write here 1.3. Now just click here above it, and then you will see this margin option. So first unlink it like this, and from top you can just add 20, and from bottom you can add example, let's say 70 will be more. Okay, so you can just make it to 7. Okay, so 7 is looking great. And now guys, scroll up, and here you will see secondary heading. Just select the secondary heading, and from typo, and select the typography option, and now make the size to, let's say, 15. After you will do this, you can make the weight to, let's say, 400, and in similar way you can make the line height, but make sure you choose EM first, and from here you can just select 1.5. Okay, now guys, you can scroll down, and you can now choose description. We will going to change this description style. So you can just choose typography from here, and from size you can just make it 16 pixel, and you can make the weight, let's say, 400. And if you want, you can also change line height, so choose EM, and from here you can just select 1.6. Okay, so now it is looking great. Now guys, we will add social media here. So just click on this elements button, and from here you can just drag the inner section, maybe here, or you can just put it here, maybe wherever it is coming. If you will put it here, so it will come at top. Do not worry. What you can do, you can just click on these 6 dots, continuously press it, and you can just drag it here like this. Okay, so it will automatically going to come here. Then you have to right click on this black inner section of second box, so we have to delete it. So right click and click on delete, so we will only going to get one section. Okay, now you can click on elements, and from elements you can just drag the heading here, normal heading, and here you can just write subscribe and follow, subscribe and follow. So you can just make it to middle. First of all, you can now go to style, you can choose the typography, and you can make the size, you can make it to, let's say, 20. Okay, so it is now looking great. Okay, and you can make it bold weight, and you can change the line height, choose EM and select 1.3. Okay, now guys, you can just click on these elements, and you can just go and search for advanced image again. So you will see this advanced image. You just need to drag advanced image here. Okay, now you can just choose that image. We have provided you images, then select files, and from here you can see that you will going to, oops, we have only put LinkedIn. Okay, so there are more. You can just select them together, and you can just click on open. Okay, now you have put the YouTube. Now just click on insert, for example. After you will insert it, make it to image size to full, then just go to style, and you can make the max weight to, let's say, 50. Okay guys, so now you can just go to content, and also make sure that you put image link here. So for example, let me just show you. If you will just go to your YouTube channel if you have. So for example, I have YouTube channel. I will go to YouTube, and then I will just search for Bing Commerce. Bing, oops man, come on, Bing, oof man, commerce here, Bing commerce. You will see this, and then I will click here, and then I will just copy the link like this. Right click and copy it. Just right click and copy it, and then what you can do, you can just come here, right click, and click on paste. So now you have pasted the links. That means whenever now someone will going to click here on this button, so they will go to my YouTube channel. Okay,
in my channel link, I'll copy it and paste it over here. Go to advanced, and over here under layout you will see position, and not this position, under layout you will see width. Select this option and select inline.
and now guys, also go to advanced, and here you will see this option of width. So from here you can choose to inline auto, so it will come to left. Okay, now what you can do, you can create some space between all your social icons. It will not going to show you right now, but you can unlink it, and from right you can just add 5. Okay, and now guys, what you can do, you can just right click and you can click on duplicate 5 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Just do only for 4 because we need 5 social platforms. So you can now just click on this second one and you can just go to choose image, and from here maybe you can choose Facebook, click on insert media. Okay, so now in the image link, make sure that you go to Facebook. So for example, if you will search here Facebook Bing Commerce, click on enter. So this is our profile on you can see we have around lakhs and lakhs of followers, people following Bing Commerce. So similarly, you just need to copy the link, and then you can just go here, remove this link because this link is of YouTube. Right click on paste. Okay, so you have just pasted the YouTube link. That means whenever someone will going to click on Facebook logo, they will go to my Facebook page. Okay, so similarly, just change for each and everything. Now you can just select Instagram here. Now select here, click on this fourth Apple one, and here you can choose Twitter, and similarly just select the last one, and here you can let's add LinkedIn. Okay, so guys, in this way you can just add your social medias. Okay, so it is so simple. If you I think that if instead of Instagram, let's put here a LinkedIn, so LinkedIn will look good here, and let's put let's say last one as Instagram. Okay, so now it is looking kind of good. Okay, so guys, in this way wherever you put doesn't matter, but make sure that you click on LinkedIn. If you have LinkedIn profile, just copy your LinkedIn link and paste it here. If you have a Twitter, just copy the Twitter link and paste it here. Similarly with Instagram, if you have Instagram, so just copy the link and paste it here. For example, if you will see, we also have Twitter, so I can just copy the Twitter link like this, and I can just go to Twitter and I can paste, right click and click on paste. So I will paste my Twitter link. Similarly with Instagram, so if I will go here, I will select Instagram. So let's go to Instagram. Oh, it will going to say you to log in, but that doesn't matter. Actually, you can just remove this link. Okay, now this is my link, so I will go and paste in place of Instagram. So now whenever someone will click any of the social icon, they will go to my social media handle. Okay, so make sure you guys also follow us on Instagram. We have around 60,000 followers maybe there. Okay, now guys, what you can do here, you will see this edit section. So just click here and make sure that you make it to center, so everything will become center. Okay, here now you will see it is looking great. Still this social media haven't happened to center. Let's click here and let's make it to center. Okay, so it will going to come to center, do not worry. Okay, after you will do this, just click on update button. Okay, also you can do one more thing. You can just click on advanced, and from advanced unlink margin, and from top you can let's say add 30. Okay, so you will going to get space here. Okay, 30. Now guys, what you can do, you can just duplicate this one. So you can click here, click on 6 dot here and right click, then you will see duplicate option. So you can just duplicate here, and in place of this subscribe and follow, just click here on this pencil button here. Okay, so instead of here you can just write must read, or you can just write here must read articles like this. And now what you can do, you can just remove all of them. So just remove the social media. Okay, I guess we have done something wrong here. Just duplicate this once again. Okay, no problem. You can just drag the second one here. You can just drag it here like this. Okay, but I don't know why it is showing like this, but you can just click here and you can just go to advanced, and from here untick it, and you can just add let's say 30 margin, and just click here, just go to content, and here you can just write must read articles. Okay, then what you can do, you can just go to Elementor, and here you can show all your popular blogs. So just click on elements, then just scroll down. At very down you will see maybe WordPress. Okay, here you will see this WordPress option in very bottom. Click here. Now guys, here you will see something known as popular post widgets. So just drag the popular post widget here, so it will going to display all the popular articles. Okay, now guys, what you can do, you can just untick these two. Okay, also you can untick the display, scroll up. Now guys, you can just go to advanced. You can just choose let's say custom CSS. So here you will see this custom CSS option. So we also have provided you this file. If you will go here and look for, let's say where I have provided that file. Okay, here we have provided you this file, that is sidebar popular post. You just need to open it, and you just need to copy everything. Okay, so you can just copy everything like this. Right click on copy, and after you will do this, you just come here, right click and click on paste. Okay, so now you can see it will now look great. Okay, then just click on update. Now guys, again click on elements. Now drag the inner section just bottom to this, like this here. Now just delete one column again. Now click on this edit section, just go to column gap, and from here you can select no gap. Now again click on elements and just search for heading. So here you will see this modern heading widget. Just drag it here. Okay, and here you can just put your form like of newsletter. So here you can just put join newsletter. Okay, and you can just click on the secondary, and here you can just okay, instead of that, go to description, and here you can just write like you will receive the latest news and updates on your favorite. Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, so after you will do this, just click on elements again, and then just search for MailChimp. Then you will see this MailChimp. Just drag the MailChimp here like this. Okay, and now you can just go to style, and you can just choose subscribe button, and you can choose the color to, let's say, pink if you want. Let's make it little bit pinkish, or just add one background color to pink. Okay, so whatever color you personally want, you can just go with that color. So let me just make it little bit pink like this. So whatever color you want, you can go with that, and you can make the text color again to white. Okay, and you can also make the border radius little bit circular, so you can make it to 20. And you can just scroll up, and you can just go to typography, and from here you can just choose it to 16 for example. And you can just click on input is this column where people will going to put their email address. So you can also make their border address 20. Now guys, you can also make it 30 for example. Okay, and you can now just click on this heading section and make sure you make it to center. Similarly, just select this one and make sure that you make it to center. Then just click on this edit button, that is this black color. Click on that edit section, and now just go to style and click on background type and choose the color hash f1 f1 f1. Okay, so this is the a little bit this color. So now this is looking great. Okay, now you can make it look more great. So you can just go to advanced. First of all, unlink it, so you will going to get some space here from top. So you can just add 60 here. Now you can also put a gap within this complete section. What you can do, you can just unlink it first of all, and then from top and bottom you can add 40 and 40. Okay, and from left right you can just add 25 and 25. Okay, so now this is how it will going to look. Now it is more crystal and clear. Okay, if you want, you can just click on this join newsletter, and you can just go to style, and from the heading you can just choose something very small in size. So let's choose it to 22. Okay, so 22 is looking great here. Okay, then just click on update button. Also guys, you can just click on this edit sections one again. Go to style, go to border, and you can choose here 20. Okay, so you will going to get this circular rounded border. Okay, then click on update. Now guys, we need to save this complete section. So what you can do, you can just click here, you can just right click, you can click on save as template, and you can just write here, let's say home right sidebar. We will going to use this same sidebar some other place, I will show you, but just follow me. Click on save. Now just cross it. Now let's add here some space. Okay, so we can just go to advanced, unlink the margin, and from top add 20. Okay, 20, or you can also add, let's say 80. So now you will going to have good amount of space. Okay, then just click on update button.
Now, once you do this thing, once you complete this much, you should always make sure that your website is 100% mobile and tablet friendly. So right now it's looking good on a desktop, but let's see how it looks on a mobile phone. So to that, if you see at the bottom left again, you'll see this icon responsive mode. If you click on that thing, and if you click on mobile phone, so this is how your website is looking on a mobile phone. As you can see, it needs a lot of changes. Let's start from top. So first click on this text, make